Good evening, everyone. I think you can hear me clearly. Is my voice is audible? Is my voice is audible? We will start our session right now. Okay. First, we are gonna see. I'm gonna give you the problem statement as we always do. So have a look at the problem statement now. So this is the problem statement. Write a program to find the occurrence of each digits in a number. Each digits in a number. So the number ranges from 10 to 10 power 10, which gives me like 10,000. Which gives me like 10 power 10 gives me around like a million's value. Okay. So the range is from the number ranges from 10 to 10 to 10 power 10. 10 to 10 power 10. Okay. So next what we're gonna do next, we need to find the, so it's very easy to get the input from the user. It's very easy to get the input from the user. Then what we need to do, we need to find the occurrence of each character in a occurrence of each digit in a number. Occurrence of each digit in a number. Okay. So what I'm going to do here is, so let us have a look at the examples. So here you can see the number is a quite long number, 11245379338874. Okay, so 1 occurs two times. So 1, 2. 2 occurs only one time. 3 occurs 3 times. Here 1, here 2, and here 3 times. 4 occurs 2 times. So 4 followed by 2. 5 occurs only one time. So 5, 1. And 7 occurs 2 times. So 7, 2. 8 occurs 2 times. So 8, 2. 9 occurs only one time. So 9, 1. Here you can see 1 occurs 2 times. So 1, 2. 2 occurs 2 times. 2, 2. 3 occurs 2 times. So 3, 2. 4 occurs 2 times. 4, 2. 5 occurs 2 times. 5, 2. Okay. So it's a very easy and simple thing. Easy and simple program. So let us go through the conceptual overview of this problem. Conceptual overview of this problem. Okay. So first I need to get the input. Then I need to do a process. Then I need to give the output. I need to give the output. Correct. So my input is a my input is a number. My input is a number. What is the process I'm gonna do? What is the process I'm gonna do? I'm going to count the digits individually. Individually. Correct. I'm going to count the digits individually. Then I'm going to give out the output. I'm going to give out the output in a different format. In a from output from, so let us take from 0 to 9. 0 to 9. 0 to 9. Okay. So we how to get the input as a number? We may get it as a integer. We may get it as an integer, or we can also get it as a string. We can also get it as a string, but in this case we can use long int. In this case we can use long int. So there is no need for string this time alone. In the previous problem, the range is from 100 digits. We have 100 digits. So here that is not possible. So the limit is not 100 digits. So we don't need to use strings. So we don't need to use string. Okay. So we are using long integer. So then what we are gonna do is we are going to have a counter. We're going to have a counter which counts the occurrence of each digit. It's going to which count the occurrence of each digit. Occurrence of each digit. Okay. So we need how many counters? So there are 10 digits, like 0 to 9 we have 10 digits. So we need a array counter. So we need a array counter. Okay, son, I'll just print it. I'll just print the array counter. Array counter. Okay. So this is the conceptual overview of the problem, and let us do the coding part. Okay. I have attached the solution in the description, so you can refer it later after seeing this. So we need to get the input from the user. We need to get input from the user. Okay. So let me use long int this time alone. Long int. So I'm taking it as a number of number. Okay. So then I'm getting the input from the user. I have got the input from the user using scanf. So the format specifier of long int is LLD, not just D, it's LLD. Long int. Okay, long int LLD. Then I'm going to declare I equal to 0 for a traversal. Then I'm going to declare an counter array. And the most important thing is I need to initialize it to 0. First, I'm assuming there are no digits. I have counted the counter has counted no digits. So then what I'm gonna do? So I'm going to use number crunching technique. Okay. So while num, then if counter number mod 10, number mod 10 gives me the last digit of the number. Now last digit of the number, I just use plus plus. So the last digit is 9, then counter of 9 will get increased. If it's 8, the counter of 8 will get increased. So likewise it works. Okay. So number equal to, I need to destroy the number. I need to remove the last digit. Okay. So I'm giving number by 10. Then what else can I do? For I equal to 0, I less than 10, because we have digits from 0 to 9. So I less than 10. Printf percentage %d, comma, sorry, if only if the digit is present, we need to give the output. Okay. So if greater than 0. So for the purpose of learning, I'll just change the output method of printing the output. So first the D represents the digit. Then counter of I represents the number of time it got printed. Okay. I have a new line here. So here we have our custom input. So let me type like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So each digit occur only one time. So let us see whether with the program we use is correct or not. So 1 occurs one time, 2 occurs one time, 3 occurs one time, 4 occurs one time, 5 occurs one time. Okay. Let me check with the input number. So it's quite a big number. I just 1 1 2 4 5 3 7 9 3 3 8 7 4. Okay. So I'll check the output now. So 1 2 times 2 1 time 3 3 times 4 2 times 5 1 time 7 2 times 8 2 times 9 only 1 time. Okay. So next let us check with the second input. So 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5. Okay. So let us check it now. So 1 2 times 2 2 times 3 2 times 4 2 times 5 2 times. So it works perfectly fine for me. So this code is simple code, very simple code. I'll just explain the code itself. First, I'm declaring the number input number. So then getting input from the user. Okay. So next, creating variables to solve my program. I'm creating some variables. Then this loop, this loop has two functions. It crushes the number. It crushes the number. Second thing, what this number do is counts the digits. That's the main function of this loop. Counts the digits. Counts the digits. Okay. Then here we have counter increment space, and here we are destroying the number. Destroying the number. And here we are printing the printing the digits from 0 to 9. Okay, so here the counter value is greater than 1, greater than 0, then it means the digit is present. The digit is present. If the value remains unchanged, the digit is not present. Digit is present. So such an easy program. Such an easy program. I have given this code. I have given this code in description. Okay. So make use of it. Thank you. If you have any doubts, you can post it now. If you have any doubts, you can post it now. I'll just clarify it. Okay. This video will be uploaded within tomorrow morning. Okay. I'll just, I think you don't have any queries. Okay. I will end the broadcast now.